Imagine a world where you can buy or sell anything online, from books to groceries to furniture to everything. A world where you can access news, weather, everything. A world where you can communicate, chat with anyone, anytime. But wait, why am I even creating this suspense? Well, this is the same world that we live in. But this world was not always the same. Now let's reverse things up. You live in a time when there's internet, but it's not a celebrated thing as is today. You are just a student, and together with one of your friends, you start a business, and this business paves the way for $7+ trillion industry in recent times. You start a business that sets the foundation for other online businesses and e-com platforms, a business that influences the growth of internet, a business that teaches us the importance of adapting to changes. Well, now you might ask, what is this business? Who are the students? How did they even do this? Well, you'll get all of these answers right here in this video. So keep watching till the end to discover the story of the first online business.
Ibrar.
Hey guys, it's your boy D, brought back with another video to add some more value into life. And without further ado, let's get into a point. The first online business. In 1969, two electrical engineering students, Jeffrey Wilskin and John Galls from the Ohio State University, started a business called the Compuserve. It was a subsidiary under the Gordon United Life Insurance, which was co-owned by Jeffrey's father-in-law. Compuserve initially started as a B2B business, meaning it catered business to business. It was started as time-sharing service for businesses. Now, what is time-sharing? Like in the earlier times, people did not have that easy access to computers like we have today. Like if you remember back in the days when you were a child, we had internet cafes, right? Where we could go and rent a computer, and in an hourly rate, right? We can use a computer, we could surf the internet, we could do anything, right? For an hour, and we used to pay a fee for it. The same case is with time sharing. They used to rent out the computer space where, the businesses could use the computers for a certain time, and they used to pay the rent for it. So this was time sharing, and the initial idea with what Compuserve was started. It was in 1969, but later on, they saw potential of B2C, meaning business to consumer. Now they wanted to bring the shift from catering only businesses to consumers. So in 1979, they started the first consumer-oriented services through Compuserve, and they also changed the name of the company from Compuserve to Compuserve Information Service. This marked the start of the very first online business, Compuserve. This was how it got started and how it became functional. So far, we saw the development of Compuserve and a shift from B2B to B2C. But in order to call it an online business, there must be an online transaction, right? I mean, only then can we call it an online business, right?
Oh yes, absolutely.
So the very first product to be ever traded was cannabis. The story is quite interesting. Two students from Stanford and MIT arranged this deal. They used Compuserve to fix the deal and exchange the money. Little did they know that their smart move would someday turn into something big, giant, called e-commerce. They also used an early encryption technology to protect the communication. It's more like the encryption that we have in today's WhatsApp, but the technology that they used was Compuserve's electronic bulletin board system, or PBS in short. So this technology was kind of okay as per the 1980 standard, and so we know that these guys were really smart, and the first product to be ever traded was cannabis. Compuserve was one of the first to offer online banking, chatting, news, weather, pretty much everything. These guys made the most out of it. So now on your screen, you can see these are the few snapshots of the interface and features of Compuserve. This reminds me of the olden golden days of Windows XP. What a nostalgia. As time passed on, many companies got into this field, and so Compuserve started facing competition and challenges in the late 1990s and 2000s. It also got acquired by AOL, which you might know is a reputed company, in 1998. However, this just added more to its collapse. It started somehow failing to adapt to its changes, which I feel is somehow an irony, because while talking about adapting to environmental changes, Compuserve was one of the finest examples.
You have no idea how true that is.
Other faster and cheaper services took over the market, and it slowly started facing a sharp decline in the market share. It also faced many legal issues over the concerns of content regulation and privacy of the users. So this all combined factors slowly, led to the death or the shutdown of Compuserve in 2009, and also its website got shut down in 2017. However, if you look up on the web, you will still find the Compuserve's website. Okay, I believe this is not the original Compuserve website. It is now owned by somebody else. That's what I feel. I feel this is not a genuine one. As you can see on your screen, okay, this is the latest screenshot. Even if you go to compuserve.com, you'll find this website right now, right? The whole story of Compuserve is very inspiring, and it gives us a very important lesson that as entrepreneurs or business owners, we must never overlook the importance of adapting to changes. Whatever changes is going on around us, we must be super active in sensing it and also embracing it, because that will eventually help us, grow our business in no time. But it's very unfortunate to know that the pioneer of the online business is no longer with us today. Do let me know what you think about this video. Drop your views down in the comment section. I'll be very happy reading them. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And do check the description for a free gift. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.